Hi everybody, this is Debbie from Stamp On It, and this is a jammy video. Jammy video is, I can be in my jammies, you can be in your jammies, nobody knows. So let's get started. Today's video is just a quick overview and a little bit of instruction and tutorial on some of our new kits. We have 12 card kits, and these are kind of special. These each make 12 cards. The kit is what we call a basic kit. No fancy packaging. The kit has got your basic accessories and pieces in it. This particular kit line is called our Vellum and Outline Sticker Kit. And I'm just going to go through quickly and show you what is in one of the kits, and then show you the designs and kind of the basic instruction or idea of these kits. So in a kit, I'm going to just open this, it's going to get noisy. It's going to be a little glare if I don't take it out of this packaging. So let's set these off to the side. There's 3 different basic designs. Each one has 3 color selections. This is the tree. Okay, Christmas tree. Each kit contains 4 coordinating outline sticker sheets, 12 cards, scored cards and matching envelopes, and 12 coordinating overlay frames, along with 2 sheets of our 65-pound vellum cardstock. All right, that's in each kit. Now, the designs that are available, and I'm going to use, I think, the stickers, the basic design stickers to show you, be a little less glare. The designs that are available, and you'll see them online also, and there are pictures of samples online. Your Christmas tree, and it's available in Christmas green, gold, and silver. These are mirror colors. Another design is the landscape bauble, available in mirror gold, silver, and gold on blue, mirror blue. And then also the third design, the ornament, mirror silver, mirror gold, and mirror red. All right. So those are your 3 designs, and then when you order online, you will be able to select, number 1, of course, which of the basic design you want, whether it's a tree or an ornament or the bauble. Then you will also be able to select the color of your cardstock and the color of your overlay and the shape of your overlay. So you might be able, like with this one, to pick either a large circle or a large oval. You will not be able to pick overlays that don't fit with that basic sticker design. Those selections will be on your screen in the lower right corner, and you will see where it says options. You have to pick those 3 different option selections before you can move forward with putting it in your cart. Okay, so in your kit, as I was telling you, is our 65-pound vellum. Now I've gone ahead and I've cut a piece up, and there are instructions in your kit as well. I've cut a piece to fit, and what I would do is take the piece, and you can cut this with your scissors or with a trimmer, and you can cut it to the size you want to use so that whichever shape you have ordered, this piece will fit that overlay. So what you're going to do, first of all, is take your vellum, an embossing pad, some type of a pad. We sell the white and the black embossing pads, very inexpensive. It allows you to do your embossing. I'm going to use one of the ornament baubles, the landscape baubles, and I am going to place this on my vellum, position it where I want it, and then I want to burnish it down on the front side. Now I'm going to turn my piece over, and we have instructions on this that are in detail also in other videos on our website, so if you need more instruction on this exact technique, you can go to our website. This is just household wax paper. Rub the surface with that on the back side. It just puts a coating of wax on there so that your embossing tool will slide much easier. I'm going to use the Paper Blossoms kit, and this is actually my kit. I tucked it back into the packaging so you would recognize it when you see it online. I like this kit Not only because it has a really nice case with a snap closure, but it has 3 different tools in it with double tips and a reverse tweezer for detail work. The tips on the tools are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8 millimeter. So you cover all the different areas that you want to work with. The smallest tip, however, we rarely use because it tends to poke holes into the vellum, so we stay away from that one. But the other 5 tips work really great for this particular technique. So I'm going to select the medium tool just for demonstration purposes. When you are actually doing this technique, you would select a tool that would fit the area that you are working in. Say if you're doing a large area, you would want to use the much larger tip. But since I'm going to just show you quickly this actual basic technique, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to work in the tree areas on this one. So basically, what I'm going to do is burnish or press. And like I said, I'm just doing this very, very quickly. I'm not going into detail on this technique. For detail, go to our other video on our website that has more of the actual technique. And I'm going to burnish wherever I want it to become embossed or raised on the front side. Little short circles work really well. Turn it over. And if you put it on a piece of black or darker cardstock, you'll be able to see that these areas are turning white. That means that they are stretching and embossing. So now I'm going to go to my larger one and just clean it up so that there aren't any lines in my work. And now I have those areas raised. Now what we like to do sometimes is if the whole piece starts to bubble up, we will take and just on the front side, just trace around, and we call this seating. It seats the piece back down instead of it all bubbling up. Now only the areas that I have embossed on the back side will be raised, and it will seat that back down. Now it's becoming raised. And I can go on and I can do as much or as little as I want to raise that up. That is embossing our 65-pound vellum. We call the technique plumping. It kind of gives it that plumped effect on the front. So then you would take your piece and you would put your adhesive on your overlay. Where did I put the overlay? Lost it already. I'll just grab one here. And you would put your tape, if you need to trim it down, you can trim it down so that the piece is not sticking out beyond. You want to frame it, then you would put it onto your cardstock. And at this point, you can add your stickers and you can embellish. Another thing that we love to do with these, and I will show you this one here, once we had it. Oh, color. You can also add color. Don't forget to add color if you like. And when we add color, a lot of times we'll just simply use Tombow markers. They're water-based, works great on our vellum. You can use Copics, Knorrs, glitter pens, gel pens. Our vellum is really, really user-friendly in that way. You can color directly to your piece if you want it to be very intense. Or you can use a blender pen, and we're going to go into more detail on that technique in more videos going ahead. But I can come in and I can just add some color here. And once I've done that and I like what I've got, then I like to come back and add a little bit of glitter. And if you can see this one, you can see that there is a little bit of moon dust glitter. And we've done that with our moon dust glittering kit. And that is also on our website, and we have a video on that particular product also. It just allows you to put your moon dust glitter in very tiny, small areas, very delicate, and just adds a bit of shimmer. And it's very, very user-friendly, and it keeps you from getting glitter all over the place, which is what some people, a lot of us, don't like about glitter, loose glitter anyway, is that it gets all over. So that would be our moon dust glittering kit. Check that out on our website as well. So once you've done that and you've embellished, you've got your beautiful project done. I'm just going to take and I'm going to show you a few samples here of the different kits. And I'll just lay them out here. Just kind of pick them up first and I'll lay them down. This is the same one, just done in a vertical layout. Here's the gold of the bauble. And then we have the silver of the bauble. This one is done with the ornament at the bottom and the saying at the top. And then we have the tree, the green, Christmas green tree, and that one can be done in various layouts also. And here is the ornament in the red, mirror red. Here is the ornament in gold, mirror gold. Okay, and again, you will be able to select the color of the overlay on the website when you're ordering your kit. Here is silver ornament. And there's a lot of other ways you can do them, vertical, horizontal, choosing your shape of your overlay, and you'll see that all on our website when you go to those products. So thanks for listening. I hope this has been informative for you. You can check out all of our products at www.stamponit.net and more information as well as our email if you have any questions. Thank you for joining us and happy crafting.